What is ChatGPT and what is capable to do in AI world? Let's talk about it. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI, designed to understand and generate human-like text. It's based on a deep learning architecture called GPT Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Essentially, it can read, understand, and respond to text prompts in ways that mimic human conversation. In the AI world, ChatGPT is capable of text generation. It can write essays, articles, stories, and even code based on the given input. Question answering. It can provide detailed answers to factual or complex questions. Language translation. ChatGPT can translate text from one language to another. Summarization. It can summarize long documents or articles, making them more digestible. Conversational AI. It can hold casual conversations or provide customer service-like interactions. Sentiment analysis. It can detect and respond to the tone or emotion behind a piece of text. Creative tasks. It can generate creative content like poetry, jokes, and brainstorming ideas. Overall, ChatGPT and models like it are revolutionizing fields such as customer support, content creation, programming, and education by automating tasks that traditionally required human cognition and creativity.